The question is X will be, and the solution is. Now to answer this question, we must understand the chemical reaction that takes place. Also, the double bond O can be written as C single bond O minus, wherein the transfer of bond takes place. Now, according to the question, the negative charge from O can be transferred to the CH2 attached to it, which can be further transferred to the Br, bromine attached with the Cr2. Thus, the final product that we obtain will have the group attached with it as CH2 connected with oxygen and the oxygen connected with CH2, giving us the solution as option C.